Hello everyone, welcome you all to Panther School and welcome you all to video trading series of Salesforce CPQ. And so myself Abhishek Mishra, I'm 5 week Salesforce certified. I'm also a Salesforce consultant, also a Salesforce CPQ specialist, and also I'm be a part of Tailwizer mentor groups and all the things. Here is my LinkedIn profile and the Twitter profile. You guys connect me over there if you have any queries and all. In this video training series, we will learn about that what is the Salesforce CPQ, how it is working, and we also go through that product bundle creation, price rules, discount scheduling, configuration attribute, many things we will discuss. So this is our first session in this video training series. So welcome you all. In this, so today's agenda is that what is the Salesforce CPQ, introduction of Salesforce CPQ. Will give you that a brief introduction of Salesforce CPQ. What is difference between the standard quotation process and what is the Salesforce CPQ? What is the product? What is the pricing basic models? I also give you the small CPQ data model, what they are using on that things, and we go through the setup, how we can install the Salesforce APQ, and we also see the package level settings and Today we majorly focus on the level settings. What is that one? Okay, so what is Salesforce APQ? Salesforce CPQ is worked on the three words. Is the configuration CPQ. So it's all about that configure, price, and quote. What is this configure? Means configuration is that all when you are buying a, suppose that even when you are buying a laptop or desktop earlier days, so you are there are configuring the bundle. There is a bundle called desktop. On there, product options you selected there, either mouse, keyboard, memory, RAM, hard disk, antiviruses. This all are set up in the single frame. So what options I don't, I want a 500 TB hard disk, 1 TB hard disk, 500 GB hard disk, 2 GB RAM, 4 GB RAM. There is multiple options you have, so you what you selected there. So this is all about the configuration of your bundle. Okay, what is the pricing? What bundle you have selected there? What product option you selected there? So they we will provide you the prices of that one. Okay, so means what is the actual prices if there is a you buying a product or in a bulk quantity, so we are applying the discount scheduling and all the things. If you are we are old customer of that one, so we are giving the partner discount, we are giving we have a price rules, and various things we have in that one. So and the pricing is calculated in various ways, that discount scheduling, product bundle config, means price rules, and many more. Okay, block pricing, many things we have. And what is the sales perspective? And a quotation. Quotation is a third word from there. What after doing all the things, product selection is completed, pricing is calculated, and then we will provide the in the Word and PDF format. We will provide to the customer. Okay, this is the final. Firstly, we will provide these things in the draft format to the customer. That okay, can you please verify that okay this quotation is looks good or not, what you order, what you want to purchase with us and not. So if they okay, then we will provide him the final quotation to the customer. Okay, then after approval, then after the signing of the document and all the things, then we will place the orders to the customer. And after that there is another cycle will be running out, that is a sales for billing cycle. We will look into the further ones. Okay, so as the word itself saying that what is the Salesforce FAQ, so this will help the sales engineer to sell optimization and close the deal as faster with. So here there is no such manual work is coming up. So means as you say that there is no such long Excel sheets will apply the various GUI lookups is not, we are not doing such a manner in there. We are selecting the product and configuring the product bundle, what product you have. According to that, their prices will applied, and The main thing is that the prices is calculated as fast as that you also create your own pricing rules you created and all the things. After the quotation and after pricing is calculated, we will provide the quotation in the both the format, in the either word format or PDF, both the format we will sending to this document to the customer. Okay, what product you selected there now? So you will give him that in the word format. Okay, this is the columns. Let's suppose your product description, product field, and I want what are the discount you will create in such a manner that okay, we cannot achieve by using in the standard quotation process. We have the standard quotation process, but we cannot configure which column we need to see to the customer, which visible to the, so we cannot show them to that. Okay, what is the standard quotation? So as what is the standard quotation and what is the Salesforce CPQ? So firstly understand why we are using the Salesforce CPQ. Okay, then only we will go to that one. Then you will think about okay, why we use the Salesforce CPQ. If already we have a standard quotation process, then why we are using. So in the standard quotation process, we don't have so much flexibility to do all the perform all the tasks. Okay. So in the if you're talking about the pricing, so pricing is playing the major roles in that one. So in this standard quotation, we have only list prices and the sales prices. There is a two prices we have only that. But in the Salesforce APQ, we have lots of things that list prices, cost-based pricing. Cost-based means there's the margin floors and all the things. We have a block pricing. We will in the further session we will see in the detailed manner of that of the pricing, percentage of total, and many or means discount scheduling. We have discount scheduling is coming in terms of discounting if you are applying on that. So these are type of pricings we have available in that. But in the sales standard quotation process, we have only list and sales prices. Here also in the Salesforce APQ, we also have a partner pricing and all. Okay. And apart from the pricing, we also have a difference in the discounting level. Discounting means automatic discounts options are not available. Means in the standard quotation process we don't have the discounting process. Means we will create some custom logic we will create on that one, and then we can achieve the discounting process. But there is no such standard functionality in the Salesforce Salesforce Sales Cloud to achieve this type of requirements. But if you are using the Salesforce APQ, then we have a discount scheduling, multi-tier discount, partner discount can become means many more is there. So discount scheduling is that if you are buying a product, suppose that in means 100 of quantities or 20 of quantities of or subscription based product is there. So we will give you automatic discounts will be applied it and all the things. Multi-tier discounts if we will defining the multi levels of that one, so we will defining the multi-tier discounting. Okay, partner discount is that one. It is on another account object from there. We will create all the things. Okay. Okay. Approvals. Approvals is all about now how we will in the sales cloud, how we will do in the approvals like that. There is a start. How a standard approval process is working on that one. So there is a same way in that one. In the Salesforce CPQ, there is advanced approval process is there. So you need to buy a purchase a license for the advanced approval. There is no such free of costing of that one. You need to buy a advanced approval license for this one. And if you have a advanced how advanced approval is running now is running up parallelly, means it's not dependent on if after this approval is done then only it will be work of the second stage of that one. Advanced approval is working on the parallel process of that one. In your organization if you have the complex logic of complex use case of the approval process, then you need to buy a purchase a license of the advanced approval, then it will be easy your life to that working on that time. Okay. Bundling is all about now that as in the starting when I was I'm giving an example of configuration. Bundling is what is that one now. means when you're buying a laptop, you need to configuring means what product. Either I want to 5 GB hard disk or 100 GB hard disk or 250 GB hard disk. So you have options here. Okay, in the desktop is the main product. From there, you have multiple hard disk option and features is there. What hard disk you want to buy? I mean, you have options right now here. Okay, so here options is there, product options you have to. So you cannot achieve in the standard quotation process. You can only achieve by using the Salesforce certificate. Means here you can think about you can customize your own product. Means okay, you three or four products you combine there and you create a main parent product, and on the main product parent product you will configure adding options and all the things. This is all about the sale difference. Basics means the difference of Salesforce CPQ and the standard quotation process of that one. Okay. I already guided you that what is the Salesforce CPQ and what is the product configuration, price configuration is there, what is the quotation is there. So means product configuration is also all about the product bundle helps combine product and sold together. Means as I previously explained you that means we also combine our products and we will give the sales engineer to give the customer to the best of best deals of that one. And here we also have a dynamic product configuration also that in the time of life. So we also configure the bundle all the things. Okay, it will easy to sales engineer to close their deals and all the things the faster manner to not see that okay what is that, yeah, if they selected this product what is the another product he need to select and all the things. They don't want it. They are on the single point clicks options only, they will see all the things in there. Okay, pricing is serious. Pricing is out of box functionality in the Salesforce CPQ, and they will provide to us. In that, there we have a various pricing method in there. So, like that, price rules, product discount links, and many more is there. So from here now, we will give the pricing methods of all the things. What is that one? Means if you don't want that standard that quote, we also have a QCP from there. We need to write a plugins, and if you don't have if you requirement not achievable by the price rules and all the things discount scheduling, then we have a different method. We have that QCP from there. We will write your own custom logic so of that one. Okay, we will see in the upcoming sessions of that in our series. From there we will you will guys understand that what is the in what is the pricing method, what is the price or discount scheduling, what is the how we will calculate. So take a patience and we will learn lots of the things in this series. Quotation. Quotation is all about that what product what customer wants. Okay, if there is a subscription product and what is a bundle product, if it is a one-time product of there. So how the customer is doing the giving this. So we will give the different way of that one. Um, we will provide the terms and condition. Okay, if you are buying these things, so all in the different subsidiary we have a different terms and condition of the particular product, a different product we have. So and Salesforce CPQ also provided the quotation process of that one. So we will give to the customer that okay, this is the final quotation you are doing at, and from there they also want to configure and all the things. So we will give in this both the format in the document and the PDF format, so they can customize all self and okay. So we also see this quotation in the I guess 16 10th or 11th session. In that from there I will explain you guys that how what is the quote terms quote document and all the things. We have a different objects from there. From there we can I will explain you guys the how you create your own code documentation process. So I will explain you all the things. Okay, this is I am taking this from the Salesforce site also that you this is a means basic data model of that. We cannot take all the objects are from here. We are taking the main objects from there. In this there's a quote object. We already have a quote object in the Sales Cloud. If you installing the package in the Salesforce org now, you will see there are two quote objects in there. Quote line, quote document is different one. So from here only now, so how you define this? Okay, this is a standard quote object, and this is the custom CPQ quote object. So you will see that in this you will see these things in the in there also quote object. If the prefix is all about the sbqq. Sbqq is a steel bricks, is stand for steel bricks. So earlier Salesforce CPQ is also known as a steel bricks. If you have org of before 2015 and all, so it is known as the steel bricks orgs and all the things. From there these things will happen. Okay, so now, how you can create your own Salesforce developer? How you get? So this is the link. So trailhead.salesforce.com promo or CPQ trail. From there, now you will create your own Salesforce CPQ org, and then you can do some of your hands-on and all the things. So I will show you that how you guys create and all. So this is that one how you guys created us how you created a Salesforce org. Same way you need to create a these things same way. After filling all the required details, then your org is ready. After 10 or 15 minutes, you will receive an email configuration, and then your org is ready. So this org is only available, I guess, for 90 days only. 90 days license is there. So 90 days CPQ license is available. After that, it will expire. So in the meanwhile, I guess you will got the things of knowledge of that. What is the Salesforce CPQ? Basic ideas you will got and all the things. You also do some hands-on what I explained in the training series. You also do hands-on in this org also. Okay, let me go to the PPT. Okay. So after these things, I will explain you that okay, what is the package level settings and all. So after doing these things, now you also somewhere is steel bricks. If you want to, if you don't want, then yeah, you also create a install your package in the in somewhere. It's, steel bricks somewhere. Yeah, this is that one. You also install the package of that one. And so what is that? Let me show you that if you want to if you own have the developer hub, you want to install the package. See this these things uh, where is advanced approval Einstein. So you need to install if you want to Salesforce CPQ. You also install the package here also. So this is the install.steelbricks.com. From there you will install. I will post in the comment section of one. Okay. Okay, now so our org is ready now. Means I created a developer org. I didn't install this my previous org. I created a fresh org. From here, how you see that okay, this is a Salesforce CPQ org or not? So from here you will see that code. Okay, no install package, because this is a managed package. So that's the reason we will go to the install package, and from the install package you will see that Salesforce CPQ. You see that if they you install or not, if you create it same way that your package is see here, you can see the install package of that thing. So after that one you will also assign the managed license. From there what license you need to give it to the particular user and all. So now here you will go to the configure. So you also configure these things. So I will explain you the. So as in the starting I said that there's a various things, so I cannot cover all the things, but yeah, I will explain you that everything I will explain you in that in from there in the Salesforce CPQ, so you can guys can understand that okay, what is the meaning of this one and what is that one. Okay, so but in the future in the upcoming sessions also we are configuring our all the things. Okay, so there's a we see that there are various tabs here. So document, groups, line editor, plugins, pricing and calculation, subscription based product. If you have code, coder, additional settings we have. So what is the settings? Means you can think if you are doing some changes here now, it will be working in the same manner is the org level only. So this is a managed package. You can think about that. If you've done any settings here, it will work as a org level. Okay. Document folder. Document folder is all about that now. If you are means suppose that if you are giving the customer to that to the sign of document, and what is the from there where it will be stored. So here there is a few options, either it is an quote object, Salesforce set object, Salesforce Salesforce CPQ template resource, means there is a separate folder is that from there it will be stored. So you can in that so we are using the personal folder, document folder, currently code also, there is no such things is there. Hide document name. If you want to customize, if you don't want when you giving the customer, okay, if you don't want their quotation name and all the things, so you check this text, full page preview, means okay, when there's a button on the quote object, if you click on preview, then it will show on the all the page, all the things attachment in that which from where it will attach the document, either in the opportunity document or code. So here it is. If you enable these things and enable multi-language translation, means if you are enable these things, so you need to give the translation of all the things, so terms and condition, majorly we are not using, but if you have or multiple or, then you can use this by default it is unchecked, but you need to uncheck this checkbox. If you have a allow transition in code line editor, product selection, configuration, and output document. Means suppose that if you enable this checkbox, what is the product option? What is that configuration? If there's a different things is there. So come to point this here. So document. What is the document mean? That what is document mean? If you have different document folders and target admin in which from where you will store the after document will be stored, either opportunity code document only, post the feed if you want to that document to be posted or the rather than save in regular required the feed to, means if you want to save the document to that, then post to the feed also enable. If you enable this checkbox, then what will happen in the product option page, code configurator page, when you selected the product, there is different options is there. So it will be, if different subject is there is enable is that one, so then it will be so in their own language of that one. Okay, so you can think about that. Okay, grouping. What is the grouping is there? So means if you create a group, means suppose that features after that, okay, I want to buy a 3 year subscription of that particular product. So in what is the product we have selected in the 1 year, 2 year, 3 year, 4 year. So that we will create a different groups of that particular things. Okay, and so you will create groups or not on these things. So so this is a that one only. Okay, so creating groups or in the we can create the groups in the code line editor page of that one. So in this session, in the upcoming session, you will clear picture of that, what is the meaning of this particular thing. And here self explanatory also explain you guys that what is the meaning of that one. Okay, line editor. Line editor means of here we have a different options here. What is the code base size? What is the size of that code is loaded in that one? And by default code size is 200, I guess. Yeah, 150. 150 is there. I guess 200. But yeah, this is a 150. Uh, hide renew code when we are doing with the assets and asset management and all. Then we will do the things. Pizza bundle structure is playing the major role when we are dealing with the renewals, contact, quote, and amendment, this type of things. Then pizza bundle structure is playing the major role of the thing. Enable multi action in a place column play. So if you are means what is the column of that one edit and all the thing. This is the code line editor page there. From there, what is the your action will be performed either in the right side or left side. So enable multiple delete means what do you mean by that? If you click on that delete of that particular option, then delete option will be using of that one. Okay. validate large code means if you have a large quotation process there, then we will do this thing. So, so I will not cover all the particular fields. You can this is a self-explanatory also, and it means as per our requirements and all the things, we will see all the things in upcoming session. So I will cover a few of the fields and all the things. What is the meaning of that one? Plugin. Plugins is all about you will create a means in the if you want to Salesforce Apex class also we will create and all. And if you will write some logic of QCP, so here you see the QCP plugins is there. If you write own custom logic, so here you will write a QCP. QCP here you will perform the JavaScript code. We will write and you will add that code in the custom script is objected from there, and then you will use that plugin name from and paste it here. Okay, somewhere is order management plugin, so you will write some custom class of that one, and then apex class. Now from here you will write apex class for that one, and as per the logic you will do some plugins and all that. So means if you have requirement cannot achieve by using price rules and all things, and you want own custom logic of that one, then you will create your own or electric signature. Suppose that you don't have the DocuSign of that one, you will create your own plugins of the in the either in the Apex only. We will create product selection also here. Means if you don't want that one a product selection method, if you don't want the Salesforce CPQ product selection method, if you want own product selection method as own screen is there, then we will create that one also. Okay, pricing and calculation is all about that what is the pricing of that one. Like see pricing is if you enable quick calculator, then generally we are not enable these things because it will be slowness of the system. And means if you click on this means added any product, automatically prices will calculate it, so it will rerun your the system. And if you have a large number of products, and then it will be slowness and performance will be low as compared to this thing. Okay, so generally we are not using these things, but as per the means as I said that as per the business requirement you need to do some R&D, then automatically it will be you will use that one. Legacy calculator is generally Salesforce CPQ using the calculator process in the Apex. And then if you want to own custom logic and legacy calculator, you need to uncheck this checkbox, and then you need to perform these things. Okay. Subscription and pricing is all about that now. When you are dealing with a large quantity subscription based product and renewables products, so what is that one? So subscription term unit, is there is just two or three fields playing here major role: subscription term unit, subscription approved precision, and these two. And when you're dealing with the subscription, this either this two is all wide level this thing, so we cannot do monthly basis or daily basis all the things. And there is a different calculation. There is a days, the days, calendar day, monthly, and all the thing. When I'm giving the example of the subscription product, how we will create the subscription product, at that time I will explain you these two things. Ignore the if you want to ignore the leap year, so you need to uncheck this checkbox. Check this checkbox, and this means I already told you that I didn't you go through the all the fields, because few of the fields till now I'm using this two only in my experience. I didn't use all the fields in the particular project, so because everyone have their own things and all. So for that reason I'm not using all the things. So, but you need to explore all this. If you have some requirement, definitely you need to explore. You need to go to the help of salesforce.help. From there you will learn all the things that what is the particular use of these things and all. Okay, quotation is all about that what is the from where a product option you selected and all the things. It is really quotation. Disable initial quote things in the how we will quote things is there. primary code keeps opportunity product means if you check this checkbox, then what is the primary products, you select a primary code of that particular thing, particular opportunity, then it will sync of that particular products and all that. What is the default code? That when default code validity is 30 days, means expiration date of the code is the 30 days. You will exceed, I guess, but as per the what I experience I have, that maximum we are using the 30 days of year. We are not using more than that. Okay. Order is quote start date is there. So if you also create a multiple orders of the particular product, particular code. So create order without opportunity if you don't want the if you don't have the opportunity. But this is not a. I didn't use this thing, this field, because in my project there is a requirement that after the opportunity, then we will have a code, primary code of that one. We will create a multiple code, but we have only one primary code is there, and that primary code have we will create the order of that. Okay. Yeah, this is correct only because after approval only requires approved code. Yeah, after approval we will check this checkbox. After approved code only we will create the orders and other things. Okay. Then we have a additional settings when you are installing, when you are you always have a load sandbox also. When we are sending the installing the in the higher instance of production, then you will disable this tag box and trigger disable. If what is that, if you don't want that own customer scripts will running behind, then you will disable this thing. After the all this, if you deploy the changes, then you enable this thing. Okay. And here what is that product description field, we will map these things. What is the field value mapping here. And multiple bundle is either wizard or classic mode, or what is that one. Teams, I didn't. I guess I don't know. Actually, I didn't use this part, so I don't know. Enable product option. If you are using the global product, global configuration attribute, at that time you need to enable this checkbox. This is after this enable, then only you are able to create a global attribute and all that. Third party configurator, I didn't use that one, but yeah, this is all about is if you are third party system will be integrated, then you are using this thing and you will put this checkbox is checked. And no, I guess somewhere this is currently disabled, this is somewhere. And after that on, so you will execute your script, and then if it is okay, then you will you will confirm this thing. Okay. See, latest it is holding right now. Okay. So we hope you guys have an idea about that. Yeah, as you see, this is all about the theoretical, but as when we are doing some hands-on and all, so we will guys the clear picture of that. What is the particular fields of that one, and what how we can use other things. Okay. So always think about that when you are performing this thing, because this is how, when you do some changes here, it will be playing a role of the all-wide level security and all. So this is what we have discussed and there. This is the means the definition of that one. So what we have discussed: document folder, hide document name, full page preview. This is the theory part of that one. So visual product hierarchy means if you want to show the product in the hierarchy format, then we will use this thing. Okay. If you want to create a multiple order, the particular I already explained you, then we use this thing. Use to create a from code without related opportunity, then we have these things. Okay. Enable additional setting, we have multiple fields, but I will explain you only 3, 4, 5 here. So enable large, if you are in certain at the large configuration is there, so at the runtime it will happen. Product option door means I already explained you that configuration. If you want to create a global attribute, that time this is mandatory that you need to check this checkbox. Product result field 11, this thing's all about. Okay. So this is all about the Salesforce CPQ first video. So I will and So we will in this upcoming session we will learn about lots about the Salesforce CPQ. Okay. Thank you one and all. Thank you so much for joining this this thing, and thank you Panther School. Okay. Thank you.